It's 11:59 p.m. Another day wasted. Another day scrolling, watching, distracting yourself. You say you want success, freedom, purpose, but your brain is so fucked up you can't even sit still for 10 minutes. Part 1. Distraction. Here's the truth. If your brain is fed, your life is fed. And the number one reason is distraction. Focus is the foundation of everything great. But you can't even check an email without switching tabs, checking your phone, scrolling down here, then jumping back. That constant stimulation is destroying your ability to go deep. So here's your challenge. Put your phone in another room. Leave it there. 24 hours. Watch how insane you get. You're not addicted to your phone. You're addicted to distraction. Break that addiction or stay stuck forever. Part 2. Confusion. Even if you kill distractions, you still face the second enemy. Confusion. Most people stay trapped in what I call the anti-zone. It's that space where you want to do something, but you don't know what. You want to build, but you don't know where to start. And so you do nothing, year after year. The only escape? Define your direction. Not perfectly, not tomorrow, today. Stare at the wall until you have an answer. Once you know where you're going, the zone opens up, the place where time disappears and you lock in, fully alive. Athletes, creators, entrepreneurs, every great achievement comes from living in the zone. Part 3. Inputs. But even the zone is useless if your system is broken. Garbage inputs equals garbage outputs. You want clarity, focus, and creativity? Then stop eating like sleeping like living like Your brain is hardware. Feed it trash, it gives you trash. Fix your inputs, food, sleep, routine. And suddenly, clarity feels effortless. So here's how you unfin your brain. Kill distraction. Find direction. Fix your inputs. Simple, not easy. But if you don't do this, the truth is brutal. Your brain will own you. And if your brain owns you, so does your failure.